They'll be between 8 and 15 pounds this year. We will have probably some outliers, some that are larger, some that are smaller. But yeah, when they're open, get on it. Yes, anyway, you're what the French call les incompetents. What? Got it up to 425, and we've got the bird all ready to go. So it's going to keep it uncovered, and we're going to go right in here. And so kind of like searing the meat, we want that oven extra hot at the beginning, which is why we preheat it to 425. Listen, Ken, what are you so worried about? You know Mom's going to pack your stuff. Alright guys, a giant turkey for Chester here. Let's see if he's going to take it. Here we go. I think it's caught on a tube. I think it's going to hang around bone for us. He wants to go get a drink of water and wash it down.